So, maganda dito sa Bicol, Naga. Madali rin ang health access. Marami siyang ospital. Tapos, ayun yung yellow. Yun yung PhilHealth. And then, meron pa ako natatanaw na isang hospital, ang NCC Doctors Hospital. So, from here, ayun, makita yung Mount Isarog. Malapit rin siya sa SM, sa Robinsons. And one ride away is yung sentro nila, doon yung market at saka yung plaza. They also accept HMO cards na accredited. So that's all for today's video.